Lesson 4. Pathaha 4. Shabda Parichayaha. Introduction of words. Pullinga Shabdaha. Masculine words. Words end with a. They are Pullinga Shabdaha. They are masculine words. Manushyaha, Vrikshaha, Padaha, Kuliraha, Matsyaha, Chandraha. Let us move on to next slide. Some more words ending with a. All are masculine words. Nakulaha, Naraha, Ajaha, Analaha, Gajaha, Kakaha, Rishabhaha, Balaha, Parvataha, Chatakaha, Akashaha, Pikaha. Now let us learn how to say the singular, dual and plural of these words. Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha is singular, Vrikshau is dual, Vrikshaha is plural. Mushakaha, Mushakau, Mushakaha. Vanaraha, Vanarau, Vanaraha. Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha. Padaha, Padau, Padaha. Chatakaha, Chatakau, Chatakaha. Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha. Gajaha, one elephant. Gajau, two elephants. Gajaha, many elephants. Let us move on to next slide. Let us learn the words ending with E. These also masculine words. Kavihi, Munihi, Adrihi, Harihi, Jaladhihi, Kapihi. These are masculine words ending with E. Let us learn more words in masculine ending with E. Vidhihi, Panihi, Girihi, Shripatihi, Vyadhihi, Payodhihi, Saratihi, Oshadhihi, Patihi, Rishihi, Nidhihi, Phanihi. Words end with U. They are masculine words. Bhanuhu, Guruhu, Shishuhu, Shambhuhu, Taruhu, Vishnuhu. They are masculine words ending with U. Let us learn some more words ending with U in masculine. Ripuhu, Bandhuhu, Sunuhu, Pashuhu, Shatruhu, Sadhuhu, Sudhamshuhu, Krishanuhu, Induhu, Bahuhu, Dhenuhu, Ketuhu. All these are masculine words. Let us move on to next Strilinga Shabdaha, feminine words. Feminine words are mostly ending with A and E in Sanskrit. Let us see the feminine words ending with A. Rama, Mala, Khatwa, Paduka, Bala, Vasudha. All these are feminine words. Some more words in feminine ending with A. Amba, Bala, Lalana, Vriddha, Praja, Nauka, Mallika, Nasika, Jihva, Chhatra, Patrika, Sarita, These are feminine words. Let us know how to say in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Amba, Ambe, Ambaha, Lalana, Lalane, Lalanaha, Lata, Late, Lataha, Sarita, Sarite, Saritaha, Chhatra, Chhatre, Chhatraha, Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha, Vriddha, Vriddhe, Vriddhaha. So Ekavachanam says 1, dual says 2, Bahuvachanam says 3. Now let us learn the words ending with E. They are feminine words. Parvati, Nadi, Janani, Vidushi, Stri, Dharani. These are feminine words ending with E. Some more words ending with E. All are Strilinga words. All are feminine. Sakhi, Bhagini, Mahi, Harini, Shreni, Dhihi, Bhavani, Gauri, Nati, Mrigi, Kamalini, Karkati. These are feminine words. Let us move on to neutral gender words ending with A, but all are ending with Words end with A. Phalam, Patram, Patram, Ghatiyantram, Utajam, Yanam. All these are neutral gender words. Padmam, Abharanam, Nayanam, Banam, Bhavanam, Ratnam. These are neutral gender words. Napumsakalinga in Sanskrit. Let us learn some more words in neutral gender ending with A. Jalam, Kalamam, Kavyam, Natakam, Dinam, Chandanam, Vanam, Kananam, Pustakam, Jalajam, Udyanam, Mitram. These are neutral gender words. Let us learn how to say in singular, dual and plural. Vastram, Vastre, Vastrani, Abharanam, Abharane, Abharanani, Ratnam, Ratne, Ratnani, Nayanam, Nayane, Nayanani, Natakam, Natake, Natakani, Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Dinam, Dine, Dinani. धन्यवादः.